morning, everyone. I am Jaina Teyayama, and I am your reporter for this day. This day, I will be going to discuss on how to get the negatively skewed distribution in mean, median, and mode. But before that, I will discuss first what is negatively skewed distribution. When we say negatively skewed distribution, what does it mean? A negatively skewed, also known as a left skewed, distribution is a type of distribution in which more values are concentrated in the right side tail of the distribution graph, while the left tail of the distribution graph is longer. If the mean is smaller than the mode, the distribution is negatively skewed. On the other hand, if the median is larger than the mean, the distribution is negatively skewed. In order for you to understand well the topic, I will show to you the table 7.2 present the computation of the mean, median, and the mode in negatively skewed distribution. As you can see here, our table has 6 columns, which is in first column, we have the class limit. In second column, we have the M or midpoint. In third column, we have the F or frequency. In fourth column, we have the D or deviation. In fifth column, we have the FD or frequency times deviation. And the last column is cumulative frequencies lesser than. And now, we need to compute the mean, the median, and the mode in negatively skewed distribution based on table 7.2 data computation. So first, we need to compute the mean using this formula. The formula is as follows. The formula is the mean is equal to midpoint origin plus class interval times sum of frequency by deviation over the number of cases. So in this table, 34 to 36 is our class interval, and our midpoint origin is 35. Next is our class interval. For our class interval, it is the number of interval between 34 to 36. So, 34, 35, 36. So, our class interval is 3 times the summation of the product of frequency and deviation. So, our summation is equal to 53. And for number of cases, we have 30. Okay, so we will compute this. So 35 plus 3 times 53 over 30 is equal to 35 plus 159 over 30. So 35 plus 159 over 30 is equal to 35 plus 5.3. So 35 plus 5.3 is equal to 40.3. So, our mean in negatively skewed distribution based on table 7.2 data computation is 40.3. Second, the median. To calculate the median in negatively skewed distribution, we have this formula. The formula is median is equal to lower real limit plus class interval times sum of the 1/2 of cases in the distribution minus sum of the cumulative frequency lesser than up to but below the median class over the frequency of the median class. So in this table, 43 is our lower real limit plus the class interval, which is 3, times the 1/2 of cases in the distribution, which is 15, minus sum of the cumulative frequency lesser than up to but below the median class, which is 15, over the frequency of the median class, which is 6. Okay, so we will compute this. 43 plus 3 times 15 minus 15 over 6 is equal to 43 plus 3 times 0 over 6. So 43 plus 3 times 0 over 6 is equal to 43 plus 0 over 6. So 43 plus 0 over 6 is equal to 43 plus 0. So 43 plus 0 is equal to 43. So 43 is our median in negatively skewed distribution based on table 7.2. And last, let's calculate the mode. To calculate the mode in negatively skewed distribution, we have this formula. The formula is mode is equal to lower limit of the model class plus 1/2 of interval times frequency of model class minus frequency of the class succeeding the model class over 2 times frequency of the class preceding the model class minus frequency of the class succeeding the model class minus frequency of the model class. So in this table, 44 is our lower limit of the model class. 1/2 of interval, which is 1.5, times F1, which is 5, minus F2, which is 4, over 2 times F0, or F0, which is 6, minus F2, which is 4, minus F1, which is 5. So we will compute this. So 44 plus 1.5 times 5 minus 4 over 2 times 6 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 44 plus 1.5 times 1 over 12 minus 9. So 44 plus 1.5 times 1 over 12 minus 9 is equal to 44 plus 1.5 over 3. So 44 plus 1.5 over 3 is equal to 44 plus 0.5. So 44 plus 0.5 is equal to 44.5. So 44.5 is our mode in negatively skewed distribution based at table 7.2. So based on table 7.2, our mean is 40.3. When we say mean, is the average of data set. The median is 43. Remember, median is the middle score of a distribution. And the mode is 44.5. Mode is the most frequently occurring number. After that, we will now make a line graph. What do you mean a line graph? Line graph are comprises of two axes, the y-axis and x-axis. So now, we will make a line graph to determine or to know that this is a negatively skewed distribution based on table 7.2. So, we will line So this will be the y axis and x axis. In y axis, we will put here the frequency. We will put here the frequency. So in frequency, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And in x-axis, we will put here the midpoint. Face in your face. Yan. So in midpoint, there are 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35, 38, 41, 44, 47, and 50. So now, we will plot. In 50, there are 1 student. I forgot to put this. So in 20, there are 1 student. So here, dapat center talaga. So there are 1. In 23, there are 1. In 26, there are 1. In 29, there are 1 also. So here. In 32, there are 2. So here is the 2. So in 32, there are 2. In 35, there are 2 also. In 38, there are 3. So here is the 3. In 41, there are 4. In 41, there are 4. So we need to center this. So in 41, there are 4. In 44, there are 6. So in 44, there are 6. Dito siya o dito. Here. In 47, there are 5. In 47, there are 5. In 50, there are 4. In 50, there are 4. there are 4. So, in 50, there are 4. So, now, we will plot. Kamay ko na lang. Diba change? So now, we will find the mean. So, our mean based on the table 7.2 is 40.3. So, here, 43.3. So, here. So, this will be the mean. And median, so the median is 43. Okay, the median is 43. So here, so the median is 43 here. I put here. So this is the median. And last, we will find the mode. Our mode based in table 7.2 is 45.5. So here 45.5. So this will be our mean. So in this line we can see that mean, median, and mode. So the mean is 40.3. The median is 43 here. The mode is 44.5. So that in figure 7.3, based at table 7.2 data computation, the mean value is 40.3, the median is 43, and the mode is 44.5. So that it can be gleaned that figure 7.3 is negatively skewed distribution because the mean and median are at the left of the mode based on table 7.2 data. That's all my report, and thank you everyone for listening.